This is one of my friends that introduced me to this business, and he has made over 100,000 naira from this particular platform. If you look here, you see that this is a withdrawal of 36,000 naira. Let me show you another one. This particular withdrawal here is 8,000 naira. Let me show you another one. This particular withdrawal here is over 60,000 naira. This is just for this platform I'm about to share with you right now. I decided to try this new investment platform, and I have already made my first withdrawal on this app. If you look here, you will see withdrawal, sources, and the amount I withdraw is 1,360. Right? It is actually 1,600 naira, but after their withdrawal charge, I was left with 1,360 naira. I registered on this platform on May 26th, and I made my first withdrawal on May 27th, which is today. With this platform, you can actually make 1,000 naira every single day. Let me show you how it actually works. So on this platform, all you do is to invest your money, and you get return on investment every 24 hours, right? You don't need to do any task. Just invest your money and you get your return on investment every 24 hours. Now, if you look here, you see that I registered with 5,600 naira right here. That is the minimum amount you can invest on this platform. And if you look here, you see my total income, 1,600 naira. Once you register, they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 600 naira, right? So that is why you are seeing 1,600 naira here. I have already earned my income for today, which is 1,000 naira, and that is what I withdraw. One thing about this platform is that the withdrawal is instant. When I made the withdrawal, I got the money instantly without waiting for approval. So that is why I like this platform. Now, these are the products you can purchase. This is the first one, right? This is the first one, which is 5,600 naira. On this product, you are going to be making 1,000 naira every single day, and you are going to earn it for 25 days. At the end of the 25 days, your total profit is going to be 25,000 naira. Now, this is the second one, 15,600 naira, and your daily profit is going to be 3,000 naira, right? It is going to run for 30 days. At the end of that, at the end of 30 days, your total profit will be 90,000 naira. This is the next one here, which is 45,600 naira, and daily profit for this is 9,600 naira. It is going to run for 35 days. At the end of the 35 days, you earn total of 336,000 naira. Then this is the last one here, which is 95,600 naira, and daily profit is 21,600 naira. It is going to run for 40 days, and at the end of the 40 days, your total income will be 864,000 naira. So this is actually the products you can purchase on this platform. Now, before I show you how to register on this platform, I want to make one thing clear. This is an investment platform. If you want to put your money in this investment platform, ensure you invest how much you can afford to lose, just in case anything happens. Do not borrow money to invest in any online investment. So, with that being said, let me show you exactly how to create an account on this platform and start making money from this platform. To create your account on this platform, click the first link in the video description, and it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing you're going to do is to enter your phone number, right? Enter your phone number here. Then, this is your password. Enter the password you are going to be using to log into this account. Then, you enter the password again here. Then, under this security password, enter any 6-digit number. Any 6-digit number. It must be up to 6 digits, right? This is what you're going to be using to withdraw your money from this platform. Then once you have done that, do not touch anything here. Then you come here and click register. Once you click register, your account will be created instantly. Now, once your account is created, the next thing I want you to do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal. So let me show you how to set up your bank account details for withdrawal. So once you log into your account, click my here. Once you click my, click personal information. Once you click personal information, click bind bank card here. Once you click it, just set up your account details. Make sure you enter the exact name in your bank account, and again, make sure you enter your bank account number correctly, right? So once you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is to deposit money in your account to purchase a product. Let me show you how to do that. go back to your home page. Once you go back to your home page, you are going to see recharge here. So click on the recharge. All right. Once you click on the recharge, you will see the amount you can deposit. So if you want to deposit 5,600 naira, it is already selected for you. If you want to deposit 15,600 naira, you can just click here and select it. Any amount you want to deposit, you select it. All right. So let's just go with the 5,600 naira. Once you select the amount you want to deposit, you come down here and click pay. Right. Come down here and click pay. So on the payment page, you are going to see the account details to make your payments to. Right. Go ahead and make your transfer to the account details. They are going to detect it automatically, as you can read here. That is, if you are using the first payment gateway, which I used on this video, you can wait for the timer to finish. Then you go back to your account, and you are going to see your money right there. So let me go back to my dashboard and show you how to purchase a product. So once you have deposited money in your account, it is going to show here. Right, it is going to show here, just like you are seeing my own right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click the product you want to purchase. If you deposited 5,600 naira, you come here and click buy now. If you deposited 15,600 naira, you come here and click buy now. Right, so the same thing applies to other products. I hope you get. So once you click buy now, click confirm, and your product will be purchased successfully. After that, there is no other thing you are going to be doing on this website. All you just to do is to receive your earnings every 24 hours. I hope you get that. And remember, you can withdraw minimum of 1,000 naira. So if you get your earnings, you can actually withdraw it instantly. So that's how this platform works. If you are investing on this platform, remember, this is an online investment platform. Alright? Ensure to invest how much you can afford to lose, just in case. If you want to be getting updates from me, if you love this kind of investment platforms and you want to be getting updates from me, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description of this video below. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.